Good morning. Who's recording?
Sir, I don't know.
Who is eating breakfast?
Me.
The trend of asking someone has gone. So, I was explaining the lesson 7, right? ये कौन join हुआ? Okay. Who will tell me what have we understood in the lesson? In short, and that too very quickly. Those who are eating, they can of course not speak. Who will tell me?
What, sir?
What have we understood in the lesson till now? What do you remember?
सब पेपर सॉल्व करा हमने।
What paper? ये कोई solve करने जैसा पेपर है? Full of options. You really want me to solve this paper?
Sir, I was having one doubt.
Yes, tell me. Spelling का?
Phenomenon.
Yes, you had asked me. So your classmates are over here. Who will give the answer for that question?
मीडिया का आंसर मीडियम था।
There's a lot of
Sir,
disturbance.
what was the answer?
Alicia said the answer.
Sir, it was not audible.
Alicia, write down the answer. I will see whether it is right or not. Zakina wants the answer of that question.
Sir, she didn't wrote.
She did not write. Why? She has written.
Sir, my answer is correct.
तो तुम लोग आपस में बात कर लो तो मुझे क्यों पूछते हो फिर?
Sir, अभी मैंने देखा.
You are contact you are in contact with each other
No,
24/7. Still you ask
I
me.
was not. Sir,
No,
I
no,
was
it
not.
now
I
मुझे
was not.
and see what I am thinking now. I will ask and yeah, I will also tell them that these girls will check each other's paper also and they will discuss the answers और जितने मार्क्स देने वो भी दे देंगे एक दूसरे को.
Sir,
Why do you need
अरे
me then?
sir, sir, but I didn't do that. Sir, अभी उसने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा. That's why I knew.
You asked the question, she gave the answer. I am just the mediator. Why am I needed over here?
Sir, you told. I asked you.
But your best friend has got the answer. Why should you ask me? And
Sir,
that best
yeah.
friend, and that best friend who has already got 20 out of 20, she wants me to solve the paper.
सर आपने वो चेक भी कर लिया।
Yeah.
Otherwise, it was checked on the spot. As soon as it was 12 o'clock, at 12:05, all the papers were checked immediately. No, don't ask me how.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how much did I got?
That I have not written it in the sheet. I will let you know in 1 or 2 days.
What, sir?
In 1 or 2 days, I will let you know. I will enter it in the sheet and then I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Maybe I will not even tell you because I will have to ask whether we can tell you. It is about internal marks.
Oh, yeah. Sir, when
See,
will we get our result?
Sir, what
next year.
about the 50 marks?
Sir,
Why is there a lot of disturbance today? I don't understand.
sir, I even don't know.
Okay, now leave that thing aside. For this lesson, I had taught you that in this lesson it is about the man who has the fear of banking system. Whenever he goes to the bank, he feels nervous. Everything rattles him. Rattles means makes him confused. Whenever he goes to the bank, whenever he tries to make any transaction, he gets confused and he is proved to be an irresponsible idiot over there. Something like that he does every time. And when he went to the bank, he wanted to deposit his salary. That was just $56. So he told that he want to meet the manager. That is what he asked. And the accountant called out the manager. When the manager came out, again this man, the author, he told him that I want to see you alone. So the manager was also thinking that he might be from a detective agency or he might be some kind of person who is a millionaire. So they both went in the room. They were sitting and they were looking at each other. Finally, the manager said that we are safe. Sit down. They both were sitting, and the manager said that I think that you come from Pinkertons, means a detective agency that is. So I think that you come from Pinkertons, don't you? The manager thought from the behavior of the author that he is a detective and he comes from detective agency. So he was behaving in a strange way in front of everyone and he wanted to meet me alone. But when manager was thinking that the author is a detective, the author had a worse feeling inside that what should I tell him? I have just come here for opening an account. I am not a millionaire and I am not even a detective. Then he said that no, I don't come from Pinkertons, seeming to imply that I came from rival agency. Then when author confessed that no, I don't come from Pinkertons, so manager would think that if he doesn't come from Pinkertons, then he must be coming from a rival agency, means some other detective agency, which is the rival of Pinkertons. Now again, the author was more confused that now how should I tell him the truth that I have just come here for opening an account and that also a very small account. So he was afraid that manager would scold him. Clear and explain, right? Clear and explain.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Sir, it's coming only.
Hmm. So today I want someone else to read. Conan Sakina. Read from here.
Yes, from to to tell the truth, I went on as if I had been the prompted. to lie about it. I am not a detective at all. I have come to open an account to intend to keep all my money in the bank. The manager looked relieved but still serious. He concluded now that I was son of Baron Roth, Rothschild or a long or a young gold. A large account, I suppose, he said. Fairly large, I whispered. I propose to deposit $56 now and $50 a month regularly. The manager got up and opened the door. He called to the accountant.
Mr. Montgomery.
Mr. Montgomery, he said unkindly loud, this gentleman is opening an account. He will deposit $56. Good morning.
Mm. Good morning. So, when the author said that no, I don't come from Pinkertons, the manager thought that he might come from a rival agency. To tell the truth, I went on, as if I had been prompted to lie about. I am not a detective at all. I have come to open an account. I intend to keep all my money in the bank. So finally, the author confessed that I am not a detective. I have just come here to open an account and I want to deposit all the money that I have. Now, when you say all the money, it means you want to say that you have a lot of money. If it is a small amount, you will not use this phrase that I want to deposit all my money. But he said like that. So manager looked relieved. Manager was relaxed. That oh, okay, now he is not a detective. Thank God. But still, his face was serious. So he thought that the narrator is the son of Baron Rothschild or young Gold. Now, who are these two? At that time, when this story was written, when this lesson was written, these two, Baron Rothschild and young Gold, they were millionaires. Like how we have today Tata and Ambani, we think about them that they are millionaires. So, same way, they were famous millionaires at that time. So, manager thought that he might come from these families of Baron Rothschild or young Gold. So he wants to deposit all his money, and that's why he's meeting me alone. But that was also not true. A large account, I suppose, he said. So manager said that, oh, you want to open a very large account in my bank, so you are meeting me alone. Means a lot of money you want to deposit. Fairly large, he said, yes, fairly large. It is large enough for me. I whispered, means very softly he spoke because he knew that how much he wanted to deposit only $56. So he just said fairly large. I propose to deposit $56 now and $50 a month regularly. Finally, he said how much he wanted to deposit. That today he will deposit $56 and now after every month, means every month he will deposit $50 regularly. So that was a large amount for him. The manager got up, opened the door. Manager was very angry. इतना time waste किया मेरा. He called the accountant because accountant ने manager को बुलाया था. So he will first get angry with him. Mr. Montgomery, T is silent. Mr. Montgomery, he said unkindly loud, means in a very harsh voice. This gentleman is opening an account. He will deposit $56. Good morning. Like how you are angry. Some people, they don't wish good morning properly. How they wish? Yes, sir, start your lecture. Good morning. Like that. है ना बहुत लोग यहाँ पे. Like that he said. Right? And some people don't wish good morning to some teachers and they wish to other teachers. That student is understood. No, she is not there. So, in a very harsh voice, the manager told him that this gentleman is opening an account and he will deposit $56. In short, he wanted him to take him out. Understood, Talia? What was the name of the accountant? What was the name of accountant? How to speak? Montgomery. Who will read now? Mahin, will you read? Alvina,
Yes, sir.
to read it.
A big iron door stood open at the side of the room. Good morning, I said and stepped into the safe. Come out, I said the manager coldly and showed me the other way. I went up the accountant's wicket and sent the ball of money at him with a quick, convulsive movement as if
Convulsive.
convulsive movement as if I were doing a conjuring trick. My face was ghastly pale. Here I said deposited. The tone of the word seems to me. Let us do this painful thing while the fit is on us.
Hmm. Just a second. How many are there? Why no one is ready to read? I rose. Rose means it is the past tense of rise when you stand up. That is, you rose from the place. You stood up. So he stood up. The author, he stood up. Whose mic is on? Dabani. So the author stood up from the place. Wait, I'm joining back. I think Sharafat sir is recording. So the author stood up from the place as the manager told him to go out. A big iron door stood open at the side of the room. So the door was open for him and he was told to get out. Good morning, I said, and stepped into the safe. So he said good morning and he went out. He stepped outside of that office. Come out, said the manager coldly and showed me the other way. So manager told him that see you have to go that side. Go there and you will open an account. I went up to the accountant's wicket. So the author went to accountant wicket, that window where we can communicate from, and poked the ball of money. Poke means push quickly. He gave that ball of money, that cash which he had, with a quick convulsive movement. Convulsive means jerky movement. Like very quickly you give something. एक झटका जो होता है वो, that is convulsive. So in a convulsive way, he gave the cash to him, as if I were doing a conjuring trick. Means magic. You know, conjuring means magic. Like how magic trick is done very quickly with the act of hands. You don't know where the thing vanished. Same way, he thought that he was doing a conjuring trick, and that way he gave that ball of money very quickly to the accountant. My face was ghastly pale, so his face was shocking. Ghastly pale means it was shocking and colorless, dull. Here I said, deposit it. He said that he has to deposit the money over here. The tone of the words seemed to mean, let us do this painful thing while the feat is on us. So the accountant's tone while speaking to the author was like he has to do this forcefully because he has been given the job. That's why. Fit means it is suitable. What the work which is suitable for you, you have to do it. That is, the fate is on you. So it was the painful thing for the accountant that he has to deposit just this small amount in the bank because it was his job. Who will read now?
Sir, can I?
Yes, Delisha. Can you read the font?
What, sir?
Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, I'll make it large. Read.
He took the money and gave it to another clerk. He made me write the sum on a slip and sign my name in a book. I no longer knew what I was doing. The bank swam before my eyes. Is it deposited? I asked in a hollow, vibrating voice.
Follow.
It is said, hollow,
Hello.
vibrating voice. It is, said
I
the
said hello,
accountant.
not hollow.
Then I want to draw a
Hello.
check. Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes.
But I can't hear you. Delisha,
Sir, you
Yes,
are
sir.
audible.
but I can't hear you.
Sir, how would you know that I know?
Yes.
What are you speaking, Sakina?
अरे
Sir, how would you know that I am Sakina?
This logo you sent me, I will keep this for you. You have brought a new S. Okay. He took the money and he gave it to another clerk's accountant, got the money from the author and he gave it to the clerk that you can deposit. And he made me write the sum on the slip and my name in a book, like how you have to fill the slip when you deposit the money. So he was told to do that. I no longer knew what I was doing. The bank swam before my eyes. like how when you are getting unconscious, जब चक्कर आते हैं तब कैसे सब हिलने लगता है ऐसे आंखों के सामने, like that. The bank swam before his eyes. So actually the bank was not swimming, but the bank was moving before his eyes because he was feeling very nervous. Is it deposited? I asked in a hollow, vibrating voice. So narrator asked in a very dull voice, in a very low voice, to the accountant that is my money deposited in the bank? It is, said the accountant. The accountant said, yes, your money has been deposited in the bank. Then I want to draw a check. So now immediately after he got to know that his $56 have been deposited in his savings account, he said to the accountant that I want to withdraw the cash with the check. इमीडिएटली एक तो अभी उसने पैसे अभी तो बैंक में डाले अभी और उसको बाहर निकालने फिर से foolish person he is. Where did you bring this S from?
What, sir?
Nothing. I won't repeat my words. But mine is better, I guess. सब अल्फाबेट्स लेके आए कॉपी.
Sir, I don't care.
All of you have brought alphabets. You are copying me, all of you. See, Zeba has also brought Z.
No,
Delisha
sir.
has brought D. You have brought S.
No, sir.
पहले किसी के अल्फाबेट्स नहीं थे. Just you are copying me.
Le.
Yes.
Le. So, sir, success is when someone copies you.
Thank you for the compliment. Delisha ने तो
My
कॉपी किया मुझे
pleasure.
पता है. Zeba has also
ये
brought
तो
this
कब
Z.
का
See.
है?
What?
ये डी तो कब का है?
No, but it is recent, not long back. बाकी नॉर्मली जो आते हैं वो सबके हैं which Google Meet gives you. पहले वही था सबका. And you are copying me.
हाँ तो कुछ नहीं.
But mine is better or not? Or Sakina's S is better?
Sir, yours is better.
Yes, yours is better.
Sir, I'm gonna change.
Okay.
And I will copy you.
Then I will have to change again. जो टीचर है उसका तो
Child
अलग
copy
दिखना
are
चाहिए ना.
Durvan. Child copy are Durvan.
I have to keep this. At least my ID should look different.
સકીના તું સરનું જ કોપી કરજો તો સર બદલી
કાંઈ જરૂર
નાખશે.
નથી હો. Okay, now I will read. Sakina, if you have had your breakfast.
Okay, sir. So I'm gonna read. My idea was to draw out $6 of it for present use. Someone gave me a checkbook through a wicket, and someone else began telling me how to write it out. The people in the bank had the impression that I was an invalid millionaire. I wrote something on the check and thrust it in at the clerk. He looked at it.
Take breath in
What?
between.
Uh,
Take deep breath. Go slow. Don't forget to take breath in between.
okay, sir. What? Are you drawing it all out again? He asked
Yes.
in surprise. Then I realized that I had written 56 instead of 6.
Foolish.
I was too far gone to reason now. I had a feeling that it was impossible to explain the thing.
Clear.
All the clerks had stopped writing to look at me. Yes, the whole thing. You withdraw your money from the bank?
Yes.
Every sir, yaar, every cent of it. Are, are you not going to deposit anymore?
No,
Said the clerk, astonished. Never.
never ever. So he said that the narrator said that his idea was just to withdraw the $6 for present use. Means he deposited $56. Now he wanted to withdraw $6 for everyday use, whatever he needed for groceries and everything. So he did not want to withdraw the whole amount. Then someone gave him the checkbook through the wicket, वो जो window होती है उसमें से किसी ने checkbook pass की उसने. And someone else began telling me how to write, and others were helping him how to write the check, where to sign, and all that. The people in the bank had an impression that I was an invalid millionaire. Invalid millionaire is a phrase which is used for the person who is a fake millionaire. जो millionaire सिर्फ दिखा दे कि मैं millionaire हूँ, but actually he is not. I wrote something on the check and thrust it at the clerk. Thrust means to push forcefully. So he wrote the check and very forcefully he gave it to the clerk. Means he just pushed it from that wicket, like he had pushed the ball of money that he had. He looked at it. Now clerk properly checked whether the check is properly signed, the amount is written or not. Are you drawing it all out again? He asked in surprise. That really? Are you drawing the whole amount which you just deposited in the bank? But उसको तो सिर्फ $6 withdraw करने थे. Then I realized I had written 56 instead of 6. So like while we were talking with each other, while Sakina was reading, and I was speaking in between, तो वो confuse हो गया. उसने 6 की जगह 56 लिख दिया. He was confused, and in that confusion he made mistake. Instead of writing $6, he wrote 56. I was too far gone to reason. So too far gone to reason. It is an idiom. Means gone beyond the level of thinking. It is given in meanings also. That now you cannot think that kind of mistake you have done. That is too far gone to reason. So he was not able to explain the clerk that it was my mistake. Otherwise he would make fun of him. कि check fill करना नहीं आता. I had a feeling that it was impossible to explain. All the clerks had stopped writing and looked at me. So the man had just deposited $56 before 5 minutes, and now, after 5 minutes, he has written $56 on the check and he wants to withdraw the whole amount back. तो फिर आया क्यों बैंक में वो? The clerks were all looking at him, and they were thinking that which kind of man is this that he is withdrawing the whole amount back. Yes, the whole thing. Then he said
Yeah.
to the clerk that I want to withdraw the whole amount back, because he was not ready to accept कि वो उसकी mistake थी. You know, some people have that habit. अगर रॉन्ग लिखा है आंसर फिर भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते कि हाँ मेरी मिस्टेक है. नहीं सर, आपने ही चेक नहीं किया ठीक से. इट इज योर मिस्टेक, आपने तो यही करवाया था. राइट? नाउ एवरीवन विल बी क्वाइट. So you withdraw your money from the bank? He said that are you withdrawing the whole amount? Every cent of it. Yes, I want to withdraw each cent, each dollar, he said. Because he did not accept that I had written it by mistake. उसको वो accept नहीं करना था, otherwise all of them would make fun. Are you not going to deposit any more? Then he was asked that, will you deposit some more money? The clerk asked in surprise. Then the author said, never, I will never deposit any money now. Read it, Sakina.
Okay, sir. An idiot hope struck me that they might think something had insulted me while I was writing the check and that I had changed my mind. I made a wretched attempt to look like a man with a fearfully quick temper. The clerk prepared to pay the money. How will you have it? He said. What? How will you have it? Oh,
With
I
coffee.
got I I caught his meaning and answered without even trying to think in 50s. We gave me a he gave me a $50 bill and the six. He asked dryly. In 6 days? I said. He gave it to me and I rushed out. As the big door swung behind me, I caught the echo of a roar of laughter and went up to the ceiling of the bank. Since then, I bank no more. I keep my I keep my money in cash in my trousers pockets and trousers pocket and my savings in silver dollars in a sock.
Okay. And when he said that now I will never deposit the money in the bank, an idiot hope struck me that they might think something had insulted me while I was writing the check, and I had changed my mind. So narrator thought that as I am withdrawing the whole amount, $56 back from the bank, all the bank people will think that I have felt insulted, and so I don't want to put my money in this bank, and so I am withdrawing the whole amount back and all that. I made a wretched attempt. Wretched means hopeless. It is written over here. He made an attempt to look like a man with fearfully quick temper. उसने ऐसे दिखाया कि उसको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है. Like that, uh, he just pretended like he is angry and he wants to withdraw the whole money back. But actually, it was his mistake that he was hiding, that he had written 56 instead of 6. So he just pretended to be an angry man. The clerk prepared to pay the money, so clerk took out the cash from that drawer which they have. How will you have it? He said. What? How will you have it? दो बार उसने पूछा. That how should I give you cash? You know when you write 50,000 or 1 lakh, the bank people will ask you कि कौन सी नोट चाहिए? 2,000 की, 100 की, 500 की. They will ask you sometimes if you know. So the clerk asked him that how should I give you back? Then without even thinking, the author said in 50s. मतलब एक $50 का bill means a note of $50 in 50s. He gave me $50 bill. मतलब उसने वो cash दिए $50 a note. And what about the 6? Because $56 थे. Then what about the $6? He asked dryly. In 6s means you can give it to me in the coins. छुट्टे पैसे, that is in 6s. Because $50 you already got. Now 6 were remaining. So he said in 6s you can give some coins for that. He gave it to me and I rushed out. So as soon as the clerk gave the money, the narrator went out of the bank. क्या किया उसने, क्यों आया, टाइम वेस्ट किया और डिपॉजिट किया और सब विड्रॉ करके चला गया. What the hell did he do over here? Nothing. Then why did he come over here? As the big door swung behind me. So as the big door swung means to move in the direction. When you close the door will come in your direction when you are closing the door and going out. So the door closed behind him, and there was the echo of a roar of laughter that went up to the ceiling of the bank. Means everyone behind him were laughing very loudly in the bank. He could hear it when he went out. Since then, I bank no more. After that, he never goes to the bank. All the money he keeps in his trousers, in his pocket, and in silver dollars a sock. That is the place where you can save money like piggy bank. So after that, he banks no more. All the cash he keeps with him at home, in the pocket, or in the place where he can save it at home. Perfect. 9:29. खत्म हो गया ना lesson? Okay. Did you understand, all of you?
No.
Yes, sir.
Who said no?
Sakina.
क्यों सकीना? Merchant. Sakina. Sakina.
Yes, sir.
Sakina.
Yes, sir.
Don't change this logo. Don't take mine. That is copyright.
What?
Yeah. This logo is copyrighted. You can't steal mine.
Which logo?
The logo which I have. This
Huh.
one.
I'm going to keep that one.
No.
Yes.
It is copyrighted.
Yes, Sakina, keep that one only.
No.
Yes.
नहीं 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 वो राकेश राकेश राकेश